Well, first place didn't work out quite well. So we went on down the road. You guys told us about this place, Eli's, I guess, restaurant. I think that's it. We're gonna go here and try them out, see what they got. So come on, let's go. You ready? Let's go. Got some food to go because we need to be somewhere here shortly, and we're gonna try it out and let you know. We met the owner and super great guy. Unfortunately, we can't stay to eat. We gotta get on down the road. I guess we're gonna eat in the truck today because we're on the road and we need to get somewhere. How come you not give me a forker or something? Thank you. What'd you get?
Pasta salad.
I think she copycatted me today.
I did.
So, I got a foot-long hot dog show to see. I got a pasta salad.
I didn't get a foot-long hot dog.
I thought you did.
I got a hamburger.
Oh, foot-long hamburger?
If you want a coffee.
I ain't seen those before. You said it, I didn't.
No, you said it.
No,
I
you
did.
said it. You said I didn't get a foot-long hot dog. I said, what'd you get? A hamburger. So you a foot-long hamburger. Is there a thing? I don't know. So
I
take
didn't
note.
like it.
Anyways, we
That's
stopped
really
in
good.
there, Eli's restaurant. Is that a snow camp? I don't know. I'll have to look it up and see. I'm not sure. But anyways, this pasta salad looks pretty good. There's all kind of goody stuff in there. And I was talking to the owner there, super nice fella. He goes through a bunch of stuff different. I'm gonna find the menus of the specials he has every day because he was telling me like what was it, Saturdays was ribs maybe?
I think that's what you said.
And he does different things all through the week, so that would be a good. I need that place by my house. And anyway, we're gonna try this food. That's pretty. I can just eat this. I don't need to eat my hot dog. That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
All kinds of stuff. Bacon.
Got bacon, cheese, onions, ranch.
Oh, that's right. This is the ranch pasta salad. Ranch and bacon pasta salad. I'll get it right in a minute. Let's put this up for now. I'm gonna eat my hot dog. You don't like that. Right there. Don't move.
Don't set it in the thing.
Oh. Here's my hot dog. That's a hot dog. I got a feeling.
You gonna make a mess?
I'm gonna make a mess. Ain't no way in the world. I ain't done this. Put it away. Good grief. What?
I don't think that's a long time.
That is cool. I like the way they made this. And what are you doing over there?
Putting the lid on.
I like that bread. Uh-oh. Did I just stick my nose in the chili? That's great. Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Pretty doggone good dog. Ain't it? Well, I'll tell you what, that was really, really good. I love the hot dog. And I love that pasta salad. Ranch bacon pasta salad. I guess they got two types. Yeah, but that was really good. If you're in this area and you know where to go, Eli's Restaurant. We're probably saying the name wrong there. Eli's Restaurant. But catering, what do y'all say? 83 catering, something. I'll put all that in the description. But you ready to go get an ice cream?
Yes, sir.
You up for it?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.